Welcome to Global Mobility Tax. Today we're going to talk about recruiting and the requirements if you want to join our firm for a staff accountant. So here we go. Position summary. You as a staff accountant are responsible for the preparation of individual tax returns, various tax calculations, and occasional guided tax research. Here are the core job responsibilities. You can see those listed on the page, and I want to get through this introduction and information within 5 minutes so that you're not spending a lot of time watching and listening to the information that you can read yourself right there on the screen. So let's go through each of these. Tax compliance. So basically we want you to be able to understand income tax for U.S. federal laws and state laws. And here's some of the things. One of the things that we specialize is in U.S. expatriate taxation, as well as foreign nationals or foreign individuals who come to the U.S. for the first time and need to file a tax return. There at the bottom you'll notice that we also assist in obtaining Social Security certificates of coverage for companies. So you can read through the list there for tax compliance. We also have tax consulting. The majority of our clients are corporations, and those corporations send executives, managers, or regular staff to their foreign offices. And they will offer what we call tax equalization. What does that mean? Companies will send their executives or managers to the foreign office, and oftentimes to a foreign country that has a higher tax rate than the U.S. And many employees don't want to go to a foreign country and be responsible to pay a higher tax. They'd prefer to pay the tax that they paid if they stayed here. So companies will make a deal with them and say, okay, we'll cover the extra tax that is above and beyond what you would have paid if you stayed here. And so we have various consulting projects to help companies understand and analyze the cost of sending an executive to London, for example. In the UK, the top rate is 50%, so you can imagine some of these assignments are very costly. So tax consulting is something that you would be responsible to be involved with. Research, identifying situations where research is necessary, and then analyzing the research to facts and providing those to the senior or the manager as requested. Tax controversy. We collaborate with and support the senior or the manager to represent clients before any tax authority on contested issues. Other is tax specialization. Again, this goes into the federal and state taxation of U.S. individuals who are living in foreign countries and foreign nationals who come here to the U.S., as well as looking at the income tax treaties between the U.S. and the foreign location, and also from various foreign countries. We have access to a database that helps us to do that research. Tax-related software is be able to use a software that it requires input for income and deductions and various things, and develop new or improved ideas or processes and tools to help with your preparation and consulting. Education, we prefer that you'd have a bachelor's degree, and you could read through the items there. Experience, 2 to 4 years experience in the field. And license, we prefer that you be pursuing a CPA license or an enrolled agent. Here's some of the software that we use at our firm. Language, prefer that you be able to write and speak English fluently, as well as any other language. And here's a full list of other knowledge and skills and abilities that you can expand your screen and look through those. What locations, where do we have offices? San Francisco, Silicon Valley, LA, Salt Lake City. I'm located in Orem, is where our office is, Indianapolis and Orlando. So fill out a cover letter and a resume and send it in today to recruiting@globaltax.com, and then just comment that you were referred to by myself, Travis Call. I am a manager in the Provo Orem office, and look forward to speaking with you, and good luck in the recruiting process.